Hi guys, this is Mahesh. So the plan for the day is to get a haircut. As you can see, it's really long. It's been like 6 months, I think, since I got a haircut because of lockdown and stuff like that. One of the difficult parts when you move to new countries to find a barber you like. We were really fortunate to find Dong Thai barbers. That's where my friends and I always go to, and we've even made friends with the barbers. We hang out often too. And today we're going to one of their different branches. It's not the traditional place. I'll show you. I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you why it's not a traditional barbershop. Goodness, look at this. I should have cut it by myself. Alright, people. Stay tuned. This is very cool, man.
Wow, too much long hair.
5 months.
9 months?
5 months of not cutting my hair. I don't come here often, I usually go to Tanbin. Yeah.
You live in Tanbin?
Yeah. And the boy who was cutting my hair, his name is Duke. Duke. And Duke is in his hometown, in somewhere else in Vietnam. Yeah. Like he has a baby and everything, so he went to his hometown. So there is nobody else. I don't know anybody else in Tan Binh. So I asked him about this. How long have you been here in Saigon?
I have been here for 11 days.
11 days. Ah, nice.
We come back at
When Saigon open, eh?
yes.
You came by bus or flight?
No, I run by my bike. Come here.
Really?
Grab a driver, take his car to here, and we open the car. We walk.
Ah, interesting.
Try to travel a lot by motorbike.
I know. I want to go from Saigon to Hanoi by motorbike.
Travel.
Go abroad? Not now. No. Because it's not easy to come back.
Yeah.
Or also to go, you have to have like a lot of papers, man. It's not easy now. This is the final version. I'm very happy with the cuts. And let me introduce here. What's your name? Man.
Yes, my name is Man.
Man, right? And he speaks very good English.
No,
So,
a little bit.
so next time you come, ask for him. Yeah, ask for Min. All right. Thank you, Min. Thank you. All right, cool. Where else you have the not the barber shop, the thingy, the car? Ah, right. Yeah, but Dong Thai is very famous. They have a lot of places in Saigon, in District 3, in Tan Binh, District 1. One also. Right. Tan Binh is the main big one, right? That's where I used to go.
In District 10, District 10.
Right, everywhere, right? Everywhere.
In Saigon.
Right, guys, check it out when you are in Saigon. All right, thank you, man.